Okay guys, so today we see the market exploding, we see many stocks flying, so in this video, let's see what to expect next and of course, what kind of strategies we can actually apply from now on. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. In this channel, we always talk about trading strategies based on technical evidence, charts, statistics, and facts. No personal opinions, no guesswork, no assumptions, no emotions, no gut feelings, no nothing. We just focus on technical evidence to design intelligent and good strategies so we can actually trade with consistency, mitigating losses and maximizing profits like true professional traders. Welcome to another daily update. So guys, today we see the SPY going up nicely, okay, it is simply flying. We see another insanely powerful bullish candle, leaving the 749 behind. This key point was a previous technical resistance level. I did warn you guys last week about it. I told you guys, we gotta see breakout of this key point as soon as possible, so only then we can technically reject any bearish possibility. Only then we can truly avoid another pullback. Well, that's precisely what's going on right now. We are above the 749. This key point is now working as a support level. So that's very nice. That's a very technically powerful movement. It is okay. Today's candle is also very bullish. So if you ask me, Nathan, is there any top signal right now? And the answer is of course not. So far, we are still very bullish. Now, you may ask me, Nathan, what could possibly make the SPY to correct from here? If we see another bearish candle losing the 749.53, by losing this inflection point, okay, then I see the SPY making another pullback. And guys, remember, pullback, not reversal. In order for us to see the SPY reversing, we gotta see the loss of other support levels, like the 21-day MA, like the 730s down here, and preferably making lower highs, lower lows. For now, we only see higher highs, higher lows. So far, the bull trend is still totally intact. There is no technical evidence suggesting a reversal or a pullback. For now, we are still above our short-term support levels. On the 1-hour chart, we see the very same idea of a bull trend applicable, right? We see higher highs, higher lows above the 21-hour EMA. The 21-hour EMA is pointing upwards. So yes, for now, we are still looking very good. The QQQ is also very bullish. It is leaving the 722 behind. As we did discuss last week, the 722 was our major resistance level and a very dangerous inflection point. Last week, we saw the QQQ losing momentum right below this resistance level, and that was very annoying. That was very problematic. But now, we see another very nice bullish momentum. It is going up nicely, so amazing. For now, we are still very powerful. If we see the loss of the 722 tomorrow or in the next few days, next week, then okay. Then I see the QQQ correcting again back to this double support level near the 21-day MA, near the 696, below the 700s. That's where I see the QQQ as long as we stay above 722.03, we are going to maintain the short-term bullish bias and no pullback is going to materialize. All right, now, how this is going to affect our stocks? Because we see Nvidia, this one did a very nice collapse, right? We saw Nvidia collapsing from the 237 to right now the 216 area. I'm so sorry, 214 area. Okay, that's a very nice pullback. But again, guys, that's a pullback. Now we are near a support zone, near the 216, near the 21-day MA. If we see a bullish reaction like we are trying to do right now, okay? If we see a true bottom formation in this support level, Nvidia will possibly continue its rally because the momentum is still clearly bullish. We see Nvidia making higher highs, higher lows. Now we see a new low. However, this low is higher than the previous low. So yes, we are maintaining the uptrend totally intact. In spite of this correction back to this support area near the 21-day MA, near the 216, we are still looking very good. We are still very powerful. Today's bullish candle is a very nice candle. It has a name, by the way, right? right? It is technically a bullish engulfing candle pattern because the body of today's candle is literally engulfing yesterday's bearish candle. What's more, yesterday we saw a technical hammer candle pattern, which is another bullish candle structure. So we see many bullish technical evidence on Nvidia right now. Guys, the only thing missing over here is confirmation. Okay, we gotta see Nvidia truly breaking the 216, making another nice bullish reaction, so only then we can technically work with a bullish case. Remember guys, I'm not an advisor. I'm not saying that you should buy Nvidia right now, because I am not. Okay, I see other stocks, I have other stocks in mind, but I confess that Nvidia is technically very nice. It is near a support level. It is reacting very well. So we only gotta wait for more technical confirmation. Okay. Similarly, we have Tesla. This one is flying. I did warn you guys about this movement in this channel. Okay. I told you guys, this candle formation is a technical morning star candle pattern. Okay, which is a technically very powerful bullish candle structure. I did warn you guys about this pattern in this channel, and right now we see Tesla flying roughly almost 6% since then. Okay, so and by the way, we just closed our gap, which is a technical target for Tesla. Okay, that was our first technical target. We closed this gap, and right now apparently we are losing momentum. In spite of today's bullish candle, today we failed to break yesterday's high. But we are still above yesterday's low. Yes, we are. However, what's more, on the 1 hour chart, we are still making higher highs, higher lows, right? Yes, you are totally correct. But don't you agree that if we see Tesla losing momentum, losing today's low again tomorrow or in the next few days without a clear bullish continuation to the 451 up here, don't you agree that that's gonna be a technical top signal? Then we may see Tesla correcting again back to this blue line over here, back to the 21-day MA, right? Of course, that's not going to be a reversal. That's going to be a pullback. Any pullback to this support level could be another buying signal. Okay, another buying opportunity. Always buy near support levels. We bought Tesla here once, right? We sold over here. We bought here again to sell over here, right? So we know very well how to trade Tesla, and we know that we can't buy near resistance levels after reaching our targets. We have to wait for Tesla to go back to a clear support level, and then we have to wait for a clear bullish signal. That's how we do every single day, right? And by the way, if you want to trade with me, join our Telegram channel. Only there I can share signals, strategies in real time on the stocks that we are actually trading. There you'll find valuable information, worthy. Guys, there we are truly skin in the game, okay? So trust me, if you want to trade with us, join our community. We have literally hundreds of traders over there learning how to become consistently profitable in the long term. We are swing traders. Our trades, they last a few days or maybe a few weeks, right? But we are swing traders. We are not day traders. So there's no need to rush. There's no need to babysit our channel every single minute of the day. I always share the signals near the end of the day, right? When the market's closed, so we can prepare ourselves for tomorrow. So guys, if you want to trade without emotions, without stress, without anxiety, follow us over there, okay? The link to my website is in this video's description, okay? Truly, I firmly believe I can help you over there, okay? Now, guys, we have Lady Amy going up nicely. It is exploding 4.5% today. On the 1 hour chart, we see another sequence of higher highs, higher lows. The bull trend is totally intact, right? Nathan, when to buy AMD? Guys, I have no idea, because we gotta see AMD near a technical support level first. For now, we are far away from our support level. So if you are still holding AMD over here, amazing. I am very happy for you. AMD looks unstoppable. However, only another pullback will bring another meaningful opportunity to trade AMD. Okay, we bought AMD. I gave you guys 2 signals to buy down here. Okay, near support levels, right? So that's the lesson, okay? Buy near support levels. If you bought here with us and you are still holding your shares, amazing. You bought near the 190s and right now is above the 500s. Amazing. I am very happy for you, okay? But a new entry it's unthinkable right now. We have to wait for another technical correction. What's more, AMD totally rejected any possibility of a top signal on the weekly chart as well. 2 weeks ago, we saw this bearish candle. I was like, okay, now maybe we're gonna see correction, right? Wrong. We are still very bullish. We are still maintaining the price above our support levels. So far, so good. The bull trend is totally intact. After another pullback to the 400s over here, maybe, okay, maybe we may see another opportunity. But right now, Lady Amy is not in a good spot to buy. Again, not an advisor, I'm just sharing my ideas, my thoughts. Remember guys, this channel is all about designing strategies based on technical evidence, okay? It is just me sharing my reading here on this channel. And somehow now I have 26,000 subscribers. I just started this channel to practice my English, okay? So I thank you guys. And by the way, if you are still watching this video, subscribe. Because we are here every single day talking about the market, talking about ideas, talking about strategies, talking about trading psychology, etc. Join the Finance Hydra channel for more updates in the future. And click on the like button to support me as well. Your like is very nice, is very important. Okay, now guys, Palantir. This is nice, okay? This is impressive. Palantir is flying, it is exploding, more than 8% today. Okay, 8%, right? This movement is not surprising, but it is very powerful because we are reacting above a support area. Guys, reacting above a support level, that's so classic, okay? That's so classic, right? Now Palantir is going up again. In theory, it is heading towards our next resistance levels. We have the 149, the 150s over here, okay? We have an open gap. This gap is still open, right? Let me see, okay? Yes, we still have an open gap at 145. I see this gap being closed in the near future, okay? So guys, Palantir now has everything to fly again, okay? It is simply exploding. We bought Palantir over here, okay? I gave you guys a call on our Telegram channel to buy right here. Now it is finally exploding. It took a while, right? But now it's exploding. So this movement is totally expected, not surprising at all. A low risk, high reward kind of trade, the kind of trade that I like so much. So this setup is just perfect, okay? We bought Palantir over here in the past, okay? We bought over here and we sold over here. Then we bought over here and we sold over here again, right? So we have a very nice track record trading Palantir. We are very competent at doing that. So I'm very pleased by this reaction, but if you ask me, we still have more upside left, okay? We still could fly to higher levels. This is just the beginning. What's more, this candle, today's candle, to me, it looks like an ignition bar, okay? Breaking a few resistance levels, right? So who knows? Maybe it is going to finally start to fly and seek higher levels, okay? We'll see. Either way, guys, join our Telegram channel. And by the way, follow me on Instagram, okay? Because there I share more ideas, more updates. I share more content about trading philosophy, trading strategies, trading psychology. I share other ideas that I have in mind. I also ask you questions, okay? I see, guys, you guys ask me so many questions. I love to answer them, but it is easier to answer your questions on video format, okay? So follow me on Instagram. Maybe today or tomorrow I'm gonna open another question box, all right? So you can ask me anything, okay? Anything. And, oh, and by the way, another thing, guys, I'm so sorry I could not record our videos this week, okay, on Tuesday and on Wednesday because I was crazy busy, okay? I was very busy, all right? So I'm so sorry, it was totally my fault, okay? But now we are back to our normal schedule, videos every single day, content on our Instagram every single day. I'm still planning on do our live stream here on our YouTube, okay? Public live stream, possibly next week, next Friday. So I see you there, okay? I just see you there, right? Now, guys, Meta. This one is going up today, going up impressive 0.01%, but it is going up, right? Yesterday, we saw a very nice movement going up nearly 4%. Okay, that's very nice. That's very impressive. I also gave you guys a call to buy Meta down here. Okay, so this movement is very good. It's very nice. If you ask me, we're gonna close our gap at 663. Okay, Nathan, can I buy right now? Right now, no. After a pullback, okay, when we see Meta at a cheaper price level, near a support level, okay, that would be nice. But right now, we are too far away from our support level. Okay, we are just exploding, so now it's just too late. But after we see pullback, maybe we are not gonna even close this gap in one single bullish leg. Maybe we're gonna see another pullback before that. That would be very good. Possibly a second chance to buy Meta if you missed our first signal down here. Okay, so I see Meta as a stock in an early reversal stage. Okay, I don't know if you guys understand me. Again, English is not my first language, okay? It is Portuguese, by the way. I'm Brazilian. So many people, they think that I speak Spanish. Guys, I speak Spanish as well, okay? But my main language is Portuguese, all right? So I speak Portuguese. So guys, if you don't understand me, well, excuse me, because I'm still learning, okay? Now, gap 663 is our next major target. That's where I see Meta next. Maybe you're gonna see pullback before that, maybe not. If we see, great. If we don't, well, after reaching this target, Meta is gonna be a sell. Sell for profit-taking purposes. Okay, that's how I see Meta right now. And guys, you always ask me about super microcomputer, which is flying again today, right? Again, we see another very impressive bullish candle. This one is bullish, okay? Higher highs, higher lows. Above, ascending 21-day MA. It was insanely bearish, right? From October to March this year, we saw a collapse from the 60s to the 19s over here. So yes, it was a huge collapse. But right now, apparently, we are reversing. Nathan, where to buy super microcomputer? We have a few options, okay? A few options. If we see this one making another pullback and trading again between the 35 and the 21-day MA, that could be another possible buy, but only after a pullback. Now it is not near our support levels, so hey, we can't buy super microcomputer right now, but after a pullback, I would be very interested, okay? I do not have super microcomputer right now. We are not trading this one right now. We did not buy this one here near our support level. We are focusing on other stocks, but I do understand that if we see another pullback, maybe for those like me who missed our first signal down here, maybe that could be another opportunity. So I'm still waiting for another signal. And by the way, what's going on? We're going up almost 90% in the post market. So that's crazy, okay? That's simply crazy. So no, it's not a buy right now. It is certainly not a sell because we are crazy bullish, but after a pullback, we'll see, right? Either way, guys, remember, I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on our stocks. We are studying together. We are analyzing our stocks together. So for more ideas, keep in touch, subscribe, click on the like button to support me as well. Follow me here on Instagram, okay, here. Instagram, right? At the Finance Hydra. See you there, my friends. Join our Telegram channel. Stay safe. Bye-bye.